Okay, we're done. So that concludes our 15 km run.
Do you have those moments na right after mo tapusin yung isang bagay, sasabihin mo, di ko na uulitin? That's what I was exactly thinking nung tumakbo ako ng 15 km ng umaga.
Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink,
Okay, what's up guys? So currently, nandito tayo ngayon sa Baywalk. Ito tayo ngayon sa may malapit sa tabi ng dagat. And doon naman yung running place. So yung goal natin today is mag-run ng 15 km. Zone 2 lang siya para gumanda yung base natin. Current time natin is 5:25. Hopefully by the time na matapos tayo, hindi siya ganun kainit. Kasi ngayon maaga na yung sunrise eh. Alright. Okay, so first km done. So meron na yung araw. And tapos na yung naka-warm up na tayo. 14 km pa.
Usually for me, the first few kms during my long distance runs are the boring ones. As someone na nasanay tumakbo ng mabilis, I didn't know na running slow will make you run faster. Ironic, right? When you run slowly over a long distance, it will strengthen your heart daw, making it efficient in pumping blood. Kaya when you then run faster, your heart can sustain it. That's why we're doing this run today.
Okay, 5 km in. Water break muna tayo guys. Okay, 10 km pa guys. Let's go. Okay. So time check is 6:29. Medyo mataas na pala yung araw. Look. Para di tayo masunog, kailangan nating bilisan.
At this point, I forgot na LST run pala ako this day. So, may cap kung gaano ko pwede kabilis tumakbo. Little did I know, dito na magsisimula ang kalbaryo ko.
Okay, give us show. So usually doon ako laging dumadaan dito. Pero dahil mainit na, dito na lang tayo. Grabe. Mainit na. Ano pa lang, nasa 7 AM pa lang, parang init na. Okay, 9 km in. 10 km pala. 10 km in. Okay, so last 5 km. Before that, syempre, water break muna.
Looking back at this footage, di man siguro ganun kahalata pero exhausted na ako dito. Mentally, pasuko na ako dyan. Ito yung exact part na na-realize ko. Tumakbo ng 15 km sa umaga was a terrible idea. Night runner ako kaya di ko alam na ganito kataksing pala kapag sumaba yung init ng araw. Yung zone 2 takbo ko, nagmukha ng zone 1 sa bagal. Never again talaga.
Okay, last 5 km. Let's go. So finally nakahanap tayo ng medyo may shade na part. So I'm thinking instead na daanan natin yung usual na route natin, dito na lang tayo sa may shade na part. So pabalik-balik na lang tayo before go na natin yung hills in exchange of hindi tayo maiinitan. So usually dapat ano man tayo dito, akyat tayo dito, but since nga mainit, dito na lang tayo, then ikot tayo pabalik punta doon. Okay, so ito na yung pabalik. Okay, so dito na tayo, turn na tayo. Okay, balik ulit. So far sa lahat ng runs ko, ito na yung pinakamatagal na 1.2 km. Sobrang init, parang namumultiply yung distance, parang nagmumukhang 5 km pa.
Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium.
Okay, we're done. So that concludes our 15 km run.
Naalala niyo yung sinabi ko sa simula ng video na to na di ko na uulitin? Well, that's true. Di ko na uulitin tumakbo ng umaga. And alam naman natin na ang pagtakbo is kind of like an addiction. So, gigising pa rin tayo next week para tumakbo, magpalakas at matuto sa mga mali natin.
Uwi na. Okay. See you sa next run, guys.